we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved
to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Preamble is known as the spirit and backbone to the Indian Constitution. The term preamble refers to the introduction to the Constitution. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is based on objective resolution drafted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and adopted by the framers of the Constitution. It is an introductory statement to the Constitution which contains the ideas on which the Constitution is based and the basic underlying principles to the Constitution. The main preamble was drafted by Sri B. N. Rao and was later introduced in the Constituent Assembly. Secular and socialist were included by the 42nd Amendment. In the words of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, preamble is a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality, fraternity as the principles of life and which cannot be divorced from one another. Keeping in mind the words of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, let us take pledge to follow the ideals mentioned in the preamble to the Indian Constitution.
Very good morning to everyone. Today it is 26 November and it's a very special day for all of us as Indians. 26 November is celebrated as the National Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas in India every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949 and was finally enacted on 26 January 1950, 2 months later, the day we celebrate the Republic Day. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution and played a very significant role in shaping the Constitution as we have it today. The Constitution of India is the largest written constitution in the world and we have taken influences from many other constitutions like the Constitution of Japan, the French Constitution and many more. The Constitution of India is a document like none other. It is incorporated the best of many other constitutions. Indian Constitution is not just a set of articles and schedules. It is not merely the book that gives instructions about the structures of governance in our country. It also includes about the fulfillment of the social economic justice to the people of this country. Thus, many times scholars consider it as a transformative constitution. India is a democracy which was created by a secular constitution and is one of the finest of a kind. It has created India, which is a progressive, united and a developed country in recent times. In the trying times that we are going through, the challenges that we are going through in recent lives, we should always keep in mind the ideals, the principles of the Indian Constitution. It should guide us in our daily lives and help us make India a much better, developed and a very strong country that India is today. Keeping the ideals and principles of the Constitution in our mind, let us start our day, and I wish you a happy Constitution Day. As Indians, we should be proud about this day, we should be proud about our nation, and let's keep the ideals in our mind. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
morning to everyone. This is Debaruti Chattopadhyay from class 11B wishing everyone a very happy Constitution Day. On such an important day like the Constitution Day of India, we should pay homage to the extraordinary contributions by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar towards the framing of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and also a social reformer. He was independent India's first law and justice minister and also the chief architect of the Constitution of India and a founding father of the Republic of India. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is not only a scholar and an eminent jurist, but at the same time, he is also a revolutionary who fought against social evils like untouchability and casteism. At the same time, throughout his entire life, he propagated and battled against social discrimination while upholding the rights of Dalits and the socially backward classes. He was not only a great national leader but also a great international leader of great repute. Due to his seminal role in the framing of the Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is popularly known as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution.